In this lecture, we are going to discuss some of the advanced tool that is available in eTabs. Okay, so let me show you what those advanced tools are. So first of all, let me model this beam here. Okay, okay, that's fine. So now what I will do is I will go to edit. Okay, first of all, let me select this slab here. Okay, as you can see here that I have selected the slab, and if you look at the edges, okay, you can see that it is selected as similar story. So I will go to one story. Okay, and I will select only this slab. So if you want to clear your selection, you can just simply go to this clear selection button here. Okay, and after that let's again click on this one. So with the help of this one, if you click on this one, okay, you can see that all these things whatever here is selected. If you click on this one, you can see here that you can easily clear your selection. If you click on this one, you can previous select your elements. Okay, so let's clear your selection and let me simply select this slab. Okay, so now that I have selected this slab, if you go to edit, okay, and from here you can go to edit shells. Okay, so there are these options are available, so you can easily divide your shells. Okay, so let's divide it into 2 by 2. Let's click on apply and click on OK. So now you can see here that these are now 4 different slab. You can see that these are 4 different slab. This is one part, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. It means that we have divided the slab into 2. Okay, this is 1 2 and 2 by 2. So if you go here again in the edit shells and divide slab, you can see here that this is why exactly it is in divided in 2 parts. Okay, this is first part, this is second part, this is first part and second part. Okay, now let's say that you want to join these slabs. Okay, what you can do is you can just simply select all these 4 slabs, and after that you can go to edit, and from here you can go to edit shells because this is shell, and from here you can easily go to the merge shell. Okay, it will show you that this is f12, this is f14, this is f11, this is f13, and here you can see the joints. Okay, now what you have to do is you just simply need to click on OK, and you will see that your slab has been merged. Okay, so this is how, if you right click here, you can see here that this is now a single slab. Okay, so this is how you have to manage with this slab. Okay, so now let's talk about the frames. Okay, let's talk about the frame. Let me click on this frame. You can see here that one frame is selected. You can do the same thing here as well. You can go to edit frames, you can divide the frame. Let's say I will divide this into 2 numbers. Okay, now after that you can see here that if I right click here, you will see that this beam has been divided into 2 equal parts. You can see that this is the first part and or right part. If you right click here, you will see that this is the second part and this is left part. Okay, so if you want to join this, what you can do is again you have to go to edit, you have to click on edit frames, and you can see here that right now these options are grayed out. Why? Because we have not select any kind of frame to join. Okay, so you just simply have to select these two like that. Okay, and you can see here that one joint and 2 frames selected, and after that you have to just simply go to edit, and from here you have to go to edit frames and join frames. So now you can see here that this time this is a one single unit. Okay, so this is for the beam, but here what you can do here, if you, let's suppose that if you go with this option. Okay, if you go with this option and if you click here and you drag up to this point. Okay, and if you right click here, you will see that this is the one single beam. Okay, and if you want to break this beam automatically at this junction, okay, what you can do is you can just simply click here. Okay, you can see that one frame is selected, and after that you can go to edit, and if you go to edit shell, you can see that you can again go to divide shell, and here you will see this option, that is break at intersection with the selected frame and joints. So right now we don't have this option. You can go with this option, break at intersection with visible grid line. It means that these are our grid lines and it will break that at grid line. So let's apply that. So now if you right click here, you will see that the beam has been broken down into two parts, okay, at the grid lines. Okay, you can see here that it has been broken down into two parts, okay, at the grid line. You can use this option when we have another beam coming from this grid point to this grid point. Okay, so this is for the frame. Okay, and this is the end of this lecture.